I want to talk about IIT very in depth. I'm very fascinated by your IIT because
I've forgotten the depth of it though.
नहीं,
But
ये एक नाइंसाफी है, if you don't mind, which is the person has gone to IIT, conquered IIT, got a job, and then said F off
yeah.
to all that.
So a lot of people say this thing ना कि क्या seat waste कर दिया.
हाँ.
A lot of people have that complaint.
केजरीवाल
that
जी
I
भी ऐसा
wasted a
किया,
seat.
but I would never say it on his face. हाँ.
I eventually came up with an answer to that.
हाँ.
कि भाई seat waste नहीं किया मैंने because at that time I didn't know that I wanted to do something else.
हम्म.
In fact, now the job that I would have wasted, I'm not wasting. Philosophy.
Nice.
Right? So the
मेरा पास
whoever-
एक bent उंगली है.
मैं अपना
दिखाओ?
उंगली से काम चला रहा हूँ. But whoever that person was who lost out on that seat because of me has a job now.
Or not.
Which is or not.
Or worse,
कोई तो कर रहा होगा
that
वो
guy
job.
became an actor.
Probably. Yeah.
And today, let
because
me-
IIT में नहीं हुआ.
Exactly.
तो अब मैं एक्टर बन जाता
Yeah.
हूँ and मैं IIT में हुआ अब मैं एक्टर बन
ये
जाता हूँ.
कर्मा है ना, the karmic
Yeah.
circle is always there's some way of meeting at some
Sometimes I
point.
meet people here who maybe gave the exam, wanted to try out for
Hmm.
IIT. I was like, bro, मतलब हम लोग आए समझ में आता है भाई.
Watch, where I come from is a very big thing if you give IIT exam.
Yeah,
Your
yeah.
kid is really special. First you give the exam, forget acceptance. So
Yeah.
the fact कि confidence है कि exam देने में
देना.
option है.
Yeah.
But that's also reaching that level means the guy's got a special ability, talent. Then you narrow it down to actually getting selected and
Yeah,
all
yeah.
that.
No, and I also got a rank which was very surprising for me.
What was the ranking?
I
Show off यार.
guess.
मैं कुछ बोला भी नहीं.
नहीं आए हैं स्मार्टली तो बोल के जाते
हाँ,
हैं.
बहुत beautifully,
Slip in,
subtly
slip in.
डाल दिया.
No, I don't know how
Score
I
one.
just came up in the top 250 in the country.
Wow.
And, I didn't even
सर
work that
उंगली दिखाओ, सर
hard.
को उंगली दिखाओ सब लोग.
उतना तो मैंने पढ़ाई भी नहीं किया था. अगर
नहीं,
करता,
नहीं,
अगर
सपना में आया था.
अगर मैं उतना पढ़ाई कर लेता तो क्या
Number
होता
one.
फिर पता नहीं यार.
Number
You never know. Number one. This is straight. This is straight. Yeah,
Yeah.
thankfully, this is still straight.
I'm fascinated by people if they can think back to their lives, where you are today, you're a successful actor and, you're doing all kinds of different things. But when you were studying in IIT, did you have, there's no way you would put your head together
Not at all.
एक दिन में यहाँ
Not
से
at all.
वहाँ तक जाएगा and all that.
Not at all, because this is not
It would
even
not
an
make
example
sense.
or a reference of
Yeah,
it.
yeah,
No,
yeah.
there's no कि अरे some one person has done it in the past. Maybe I can also do it. There's no thought. Not professionally. I was acting in college, but
Yeah.
in the plays and inter-college.
But it's like a
intra-college.
hobby you do.
It's
and
like a hobby you do.
The 3 girls in IIT, you want to impress them.
Yeah.
अब तो 5-6 है.
Yeah. उसमें से 2 impress हो भी गई थी.
Oh, I'm sure, यार.
So I was very happy with that. I was quite satisfied with my artistic.
Did you call them with the finger?
उस time पे
Sorry.
उस time पे normal था ये सब. It's a very
वो
recent.
normal था तब. हाँ, sorry.
हाँ. तो अभी ये तो recent auditions हैं जो मैंने करवाया है. AI.
Not AI. No relationship will forget you. इस उंगली के बाद. I mean, let's face it. It's a unique cheese.
And after this interview, probably
My
like,
God,
I'll get
really.
DMs.